Hey everyone, welcome to Godly Dragon Games and Reactions, and today I'm gonna attempt a playthrough of the DOS version of Don Bluth's Dragon's Lair. But before I play, we gotta watch a neat intro. Dragon's Lair, a fantasy adventure where you become a valiant knight on a quest to rescue the fair princess from the clutches of an evil dragon. You control the actions of a daring adventurer finding his way for the castle of a dark wizard who has enchanted it with treacherous monsters and obstacles. In the mysterious caverns below the castle, your odyssey continues against the awesome forces that oppose your efforts to reach the dragon's lair. Lead on, adventurer. Your quest awaits. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what Dragon's Lair is. What Dragon's Lair is that, it was originally an arcade game that was released in the early 80s where a movie would play and you had to press the joystick or press the button, at certain times in order to, keep the cartoon going. It was a game of its time. It's, I suppose it hasn't aged well, but it's still, a great game. I love this animation. I played this game a lot on a computer, and I haven't mastered this version yet because it has some different moves, but I'm gonna try to play through it anyway. I played through some of it, but not all of it, so I know some moves already, but there are some moves that I don't know. That scene is tricky because you have to press the sword button, which is the spacebar, and then up. Then here you wait a bit, and then you press right. I know that scene. Ah, the snake room. As soon as you see a snake, you have to press the sword button instantly. And then you press right. Not up. Right, not up. In this version, it's right, not up. Instantly press up, press sword. Don't press down, press sword. And then go right. That's how you do it in this version. And press sword. Don't press up. Right. Down. Left. And up. That one I know how to do, but the time is a little tricky. You have to press right instantly. Oh, I haven't done this one. Okay, let me think. Sword, left, up. What? I pushed it. Maybe there's the button I'm not supposed to press. Okay, sword. Okay, I died. Okay, sword, left. Maybe it's left, not up. I forgot to do a move. But I know, at least I know all the other moves before it. There we go. Oh, the giddy goons. Oh man, I think the DOS version has more or less moves than the arcade. There we go. Sorry. Oh great, this room's hard. Oh, I didn't press it in time. I pushed it though. I pushed the button, I swear. Oh my gosh. Oh, now I gotta do this again. What? I pushed the button! Now I gotta do the goons again. Come on, 3 lives left. Sword, right. You gotta be like fast. This is trial and error. Sword, right, up, sword, up. Okay, now I'm back here. What? I pushed it! This is unreasonable timing. Okay, right, left, up, left, right, left, right. There we go. That one's easy, just press up. Okay, here's the ballroom. This one's not too hard. Just wait for the ball to pass and press down. Then here, you press up so that you don't fall in a hole. I hope I've reached the checkpoint. This one's easy, it's just directional. Just move away from the fire. Oh, that was my bad. Missed the timing. Yes, I want to continue. Oh, good. The horse is a checkpoint. Good. There we go. Yeah, this version's weird. Are we safe? No, we're not safe. There we go, now we're safe. Okay, I did this one before. Press left instantly. Sword, left, and left. This is the one I have trouble with. Yeah, this is one I have trouble with. Okay, I'm supposed to press up twice. I wonder what room it's gonna start me over at. Oh, okay, back at the horse. The horse is a checkpoint. I gotta do these rooms again. Okay, now I'm back in this room. Dude, come on! I pushed the sword button. What button am I supposed to press? Come on, I pushed the sword button over and over. What am I supposed to press? I'm pushing every other button. Come on, I pushed every other button and it's not working. Now I gotta do this again. Come on, I pushed every other button and nothing's working. Why can't I get past this one part? I pressed it too soon. Come on, I pushed it. What am I supposed to do? Like, do I have to just keep playing this over and over and then eventually for sheer luck I'll get it? I just want to get past this one part. That's all I ask. Come on, I pressed it so many times. Come on, why can't I do this? You gotta be joking. Why can't I do this? Why can't I do this? This is not fair. I pressed it so many times and won't do anything.
Dragon's Lair, a fantasy adventure where you become
well, I'm just gonna end the video here since I just can't get past that bridge scene no matter how hard I try, so I gotta see if there's a walkthrough or something. If I can find a walkthrough, I'll try continuing this, but if not, then that's the end of the DOS version of Dragon's Lair. So, thanks for watching and have a good night.